What up, dogs? Tejbz here, and welcome to another YouTube video. Today, I am super duper excited to record this video because finally, I have an NZXT capture card already set up, and they have sent me a little box with not only their Signal HD60, which is the I mean we can call it the lesser version of their capture card, which is still really good, and the Signal 4K30, which is the one that I've already unboxed and connected my mini PC, my H1, that has custom laser engravement on top of it. If you haven't seen that video, you should definitely go check it out afterwards. They also sent me a chat cable, which is something that they just came out with. I think you only need the chat cable if you're capturing console. I have to get back to this in a future video when I do a little bit more console capturing. And as you guys already know, I'm an ambassador for NZXT, and I'm just excited that they're coming out with capture cards. And this video is sponsored by NZXT. And if you want to pick one up, you can check out the links in the description, of course. But before we get any further, as I said, this is the 4K30, the Signal that I've already connected, and I'm doing pass-through to my little mini monitor over here. And it looks a little bit something like this. I have my mouse literally just plug and play. But before we get into that, I think we should unbox the other one, the Signal HD60, and talk a little bit about its specs versus the 4K30. And now while we're unboxing, I gotta say it's like 30 degrees or something in Stockholm today, and I am dying. So this is gonna be interesting to see my face probably getting more and more red. So the HD60, we're gonna unbox it right now. I haven't really got my other angle set up. It is just too hot to goof around anymore with any more cables. And also my stomach is starting to do a lot better. My Crohn's flare-up is finally kind of letting go. So we're gonna do it like this for the HD60, and hopefully you guys are gonna be able to see it fairly well. Right off the bat, keeps being in line with NZXT's very slick and nice design. You got the HDMI in and the HDMI out, and you have the USB-C for power and obviously for the interface to see it in OBS, Zoom, Discord, whatever, because this is plug and play. It just works over the USB-C interface. So directly when you connect this to your computer is going to say configure it, bam, it's going to start working, and you can connect anything that has HDMI with the right resolutions and everything. It's just going to pop up instantly. So that is just the capture card. It's looking like that. This is the HD60. Further down in the box, I do believe there's a USB-C cable and an HDMI cable. We don't need them currently. We're gonna put them back in the box neatly. So for some specs for the HD60 versus the 4K30, basically the HD60 is a little bit more aimed towards maybe connecting a camera through it or your console, while the 4K30 is a little bit more higher end, where you might want to connect your new gen console or your PC to capture it, since it does, for instance, have 144p 144 hertz pass through on it, while this guy doesn't, but it does have a 4K30 pass-through, so you can still use it like that, but it can't capture in that, while this one can. So NZXT's capture card, I mean, so far I've only been playing around with it for what, like a day and a half or something like that, but I'm super impressed. It just seems to be in line with NZXT's kind of like, let's make something pretty and also functional and easy to use, and it just keeps delivering on that. And now you know a little bit more about the capture card, and now I am actually curious to see what stuff I can actually capture with my 4K30 with its function to plug and play. First of all, I'm gonna try just capturing a little bit of gameplay from my mini PC, and then we'll see what kind of stuff I can come up with and connect to it. I have so many NZXT products now. I got the mouse, I got the microphone, and now I have capture cards. Now NZXT, all I'm waiting for is for us together to make a gaming headphones with an XLR microphone that actually sounds good. Let's do it. Or NZXT gaming esports sleeve, like I talked about in my previous video, which you also can check out. So, okay, we're set up. I was just testing so that it was recording audio. We're gonna start out by capturing the H1, the mini PC, which I just love. I love it so much, which might actually, I might buy like a USB hub, a USB-C hub or something, and just have it as a streaming computer that I can just jank out of its socket or something and just start playing. So if everything works now, you guys should have sound and recording in 1080p with an ugly camera. Oh, wait. I'm playing in the preview window and it feels pretty good. Wait. I can barely see any delay. All right, NZXT, I like it. Okay, let's look at the pass-through. Feels super smooth. All right, well, this is working seamlessly. I hope that it looks good. Yeah, I think it looks good. Okay, I brought my iPad up. I'm not sure if I have any games or anything on it, but all right, this is my very, very unsorted iPad. I don't even think, do I have any game on it? Call of Duty? I don't think I'm logged in. Ask app not to track. Ask app not to track. Ask app not to track. I'm not gonna bother with that. It's gonna work. Let's try the PlayStation instead. All right, if this works flawlessly again. Oh, I remember trying to record with PS4 when it first came out. They had capture protection and everything. Wait, why? Does it actually have capture protection? I have to turn off some sort of capture protection. You guys can't even see this, but all this should now just fix it. I can't believe why. Why would they put HDCP, which is at capture protection, basically, as default? I don't get it. Ugh. I just want to play a game. We got Sainz ahead of us. Leclerc. They're going to get it. Oh, whoops. Sorry. Get out of my face. We're going to brake. We're going to go a little too far here. I'm playing on, obviously, on the easiest setting. Because that's how I play racing games. To always win. Again, it's in 1080p, but damn, that looks good. Let me see if I can play on the preview window. This looks like I can. Woo-wee. It's fine in the preview window. All right, that's ridiculous. Just to close out this video, I gotta connect the Xbox 2 just to show that it's gonna work. Hopefully as well, I don't have to disable any capture thingies. I used the PlayStation 5 power cable to the Xbox now. Don't tell anyone. It's unholy. I am waiting. I am waiting for the update. All right, after updating my Xbox, which obviously I should always have on, but I don't have the space for it right now. We are now capturing the best game ever made, Geometry Wars 2, and let's see if we can get a record or not. I think it looks really good. I'm not gonna ruin any record attempts by looking at the preview window though, but I'm so glad that this game still exists on Xbox Arcade, so you can go in and get addicted and get annoyed that you aren't as good as... I could have taken that, actually. I used to be. Boom. Oh my... Damn it! Okay. One more try. Okay. Actually, that's the last try. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a like, hit the subscribe, and check out the links from NZXT in the description. Both the HD60, the signal, and the 4K30 seems to be working just flawlessly. And pick them up if you guys are interested in capturing some of your own content. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, now, whoop! It's fine. It's fine. It went back. Whew. I'll see you in the next one.